Are you ready for the AI-driven skill shift? Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by an AI assistant. It suggests products just for you. Picture your office where AI makes workflows smoother and faster. This isn't a distant future, it's happening right now. AI isn't just about automating tasks. It's redefining the skills we need to thrive. A recent Gartner report shows AI is augmenting human capabilities, not replacing jobs. The real change? Traditional job roles are fading away. Skill-based work structures are on the rise. To stay ahead, professionals must adapt in new ways. AI is taking over repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what matters. Critical thinking, creativity, and strategic decision-making become essential. It's humans who make informed, ethical decisions using AI insights. AI can generate ideas, but breakthroughs come from human intuition and experience. Next, AI-augmented collaboration is the new normal. Think about hybrid human-AI teams. Success now relies on interpreting AI-generated insights. Managing AI-driven workflows with human oversight is crucial too. Imagine communicating effectively across AI and human teams. By 2027, 60% of labor hours will be disrupted. Prepare for skill-based structures that place AI collaboration at the center. Emotional intelligence will set you apart. While AI can analyze emotions, it can't feel them. Empathy, leadership, and interpersonal skills become increasingly valuable. Customer service roles are evolving too. AI handles routine inquiries, leaving complex problem-solving to humans, who excel in emotional engagement. If you're not comfortable working alongside AI, you're lagging. AI literacy is now vital. Employees must understand and leverage AI tools. Those who can optimize AI-driven processes will gain a competitive edge. Remember, humans using AI will replace those who don't. AI is reshaping how we work. Adapt to succeed. Whether you're a leader, a professional, or just starting out, now is the time to upskill. Focus on AI-related competencies, develop critical thinking and emotional intelligence, and embrace AI tools. By 2027, organizations will shift from rigid pyramids to balanced diamond shapes, prioritizing skills over job titles. Get ready for this transformation. So, are you prepared to future-proof your career? How is AI impacting your work? What steps will you take to stay ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments. Discover the path to sustainable growth with our Data Science and AI Leadership Accelerator program. Tailored to help you craft your AI vision, this program is a key to success in the generative AI landscape. Reach out for a complimentary orientation and start your transformative journey today. Grow to your fullest in data science and AI. Subscribe to our blog for the latest insights and trends. Don't miss out on valuable information to propel your business forward.